Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Part of professionally caring for a client's Leslie amplifier is helping to clean the chassis. Now, I've already used professional cleaning wipes to wipe off this chassis. In fact, I got what I used right here. Okay, but there are times that chassis is so dirty that you have to do some more detailed cleaning. And I noticed just some dirt here on these motor sockets here. So what I'm going to do is, before I continue my work on this rebuild, I'm going to use some Radio Shack electronics cleaner to spray on these socket casings. And I have this little nylon brush. All right. Okay. All right, so that's it for this. I have now to get to work, start rebuilding this amplifier. I don't like this. It's a little dirty right there. Let me spray some cleaner on that. Okay. All right. All right, now I can get to work. I have a relatively clean area to work in, and so until the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Till next time, peace out.